Hello everyone, I'm Aniket and here to discuss about WordPress debugging. So let's start with the basics. As you know, the WordPress is built of the WordPress core engine, a theme, several plugins which come from different developers, different authors, and it is all combined together to form your website. So it is pretty natural that conflicts and errors can arise between these plugins and themes as they are coded by different people. So it is important to find the exact culprit which is causing the problem, and this process can be known as debugging. And hence we're gonna discuss about the types of culprits that you need to detect first and then proceed to resolve the issue. The issues with the themes and plugins can be further divided into two types known as the CSS conflict and JavaScript conflict, which are related to the codes running in the backend of your website. I'll be demonstrating each type individually. So basically the culprits can be found either in the theme, in the plugin, or there might be an issue with the hosting service that you have taken for your website. So let's proceed with the first type of conflict, that is CSS conflict. Okay, let's have a look at this page which has a bunch of CSS errors. Here you can see there's just icon which I had planned to insert one below another. In this, the icon size is reduced when I try to enter 100 pixels, and here the icon itself is misaligned and the color of the background is also changed. So this is how a CSS error will look like. Things will look messy, the misaligned, differing font size, or anything related to the aesthetics of your website. Whenever you see something like this, something abnormal, you can conclude that there is some kind of CSS error on your website. Now let us move on to discover what a JavaScript error looks like. And here it is, the page with JavaScript errors. Let us see the actual page, how it should look. So here's how the actual page looks like with no errors, and this is the page which has the JavaScript errors. You cannot see any movement, any animation running for those elements. Thus the culprit causing this problem may be residing in the theme that you're using or any particular plugin that is causing the conflicts with the existing classes or functions of the plugins activated on this web page. We saw the types of CSS conflicts in which things can look pretty messy, and the JavaScript conflicts where a particular function may not load or may not get executed properly or completely, which causes the subsequent functions to fail. Let's move on to next type of conflicts, or we can prefer saying them issues. For some servers, there can be a situation where server doesn't have the necessary resources. There are many softwares that need CURL module enabled on server. Some need a amount of memory that has not been allocated by the server. So in such cases, server issues can arise, and which may cause errors on your website. So I hope this video helped you to know the types of conflicts that arise either from the plugin or a theme or through hosting servers. This video has another part. In the second part, we will demonstrate how to find and confirm the culprit and solve the issue step by step. Please click on the subscribe button so that you get a notification when the second part goes live.